It's not that I don't want you here.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Marshawn, aka the bald head girl. I want to show you guys my signature look, my go-to makeup that I know is not gonna fail me, period. I know I keep showing y'all the same video, but hey, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if the first time here, thanks for even clicking on the video. My name is Marshawn, aka the bald head girl, period. I did my makeup the other day and it looked sick. I was like, I need to film this for the tube, okay? If y'all hear a lot of noise, family is home, honey. My face is already prepped and primed, and I picked up this Laneige kit. Can you focus? You even see, but I picked up this Laneige kit from Marshall's, and best thing I ever did. It's like a toner and a moisturizer and everything in one. So good. If you see it in your Marshalls, please pick it up, baby. So for primer, I'm going to be using my Dynamic Duo, and this is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte, and this is the One Size Secure the Blur primer. I always lose my tops to the primers, like literally. And my face is like so moisturized. That's how you know you're gonna have a good makeup day, when your face is like moisturized. Be careful with this soft matte because it will literally like, it'll have you looking a certain way. So just be real careful with this. I moisturized my face like 30 minutes ago, so it's kind of all just working in. A little bit of my Secure the Blur, and I'm gonna just go right here in these areas. You see I'm using just a little bit, like just a tad. Just go in, and then you can see it's kind of taking away the shine a little bit. So for foundation, I am going to be using my favorite ever foundation, and y'all know it's my lovely NARS foundation in New Caledonia. And I'm going to put some on my hand like so. If y'all keep see me looking over, that's what my monitor is. And I'm going to just put it on my face like this. Yo, every time my freaking phone rings, I'm terrified. It's always something like easy every time. And I will use some setting spray, but I'm literally not going anywhere, so I'm not using any setting spray. Like, I'm not about to waste my setting spray. And I like to take my Morphe M439 and blend this out. Just real nice. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so I turned my saturation down a little bit because sometimes I don't know what be going on, but I be looking a little orange, okay? I just like to blend that in. Can you see like the foundation, like stunning? Like look how you can still see my skin, you can still see the hydration. Maybe if I move this, I won't keep looking down. Okay, so I swear every time I film, 1,000,001 people call me and they get stuff done. Every time I film. Every concealer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Maple. And I'm literally just going to go here. And I like to take it here to kind of create like a more lifted, and then here underneath my chin. It was chestnut, and then I like to take maple. Maple is just a tad bit darker, and go on the outer and I like to let this dry. Like, I don't want it to move, so I like to let it dry down and get as matte as it possibly can. So that's when I'm going to move on to my contour. And for contour, I'm going to be using Espresso by Fenty Beauty, and I like to start using this like very lightly, like so. Okay, so I'm about to start blending out my contour, and I like to go upwards. This is pretty much like my signature look, what I always do. When in doubt, this is what I do, okay? And I just like to blend it. Even though I went in with that Fenty, I like to go in with like a secondary bronzer, my ABH in Chestnut, and really good like directly on top. This is like just a regular little ABH, shot missing brush. It kind of like go OD with this because it's such a like a perfect shade. And I like to do this right before I do my contour. Pretty. This is like kinda all the way like blended out, but now I'm gonna go in with my Black Beauty blender because black is always better, and blend this out. If you don't know, each beauty blender does something different. This is the Pro. I love the Pros. I like the black ones and also the blue ones. So it's kind of creating like a lift on my face. And I always like to keep a napkin close to squeeze out any extra concealer or anything, and just wipe that out. I like to let it sit for so long so that it's so like impossible for it to move. Blended. You probably can't even tell, like, okay, and I like to take my foundation brush and just go right on top of this. So this is how it's looking. The skin is looking chef's kiss, amazing. Kevin Aquan concealer in SX11 with a flat brush, and just go right on top like that to brighten this effect. It's not that I don't want you here. A little bit of my NARS concealer in Sucre de George, and literally go right in the beginning right here, because I don't want to put a brush too, far underneath my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to start blending this out. This concealer, oh my god, it's so good. Like, I don't think y'all understand. This concealer is amazing. Like, and going in my napkin if I feel like I just want a little bit OD, because this concealer separates really well, really well. foundation brush and go right on top. Like, I like that little effect, but sometimes it could just like go, it'll be like too much. So I like to go on top. That's to kind of, you know, my Fenty Beauty and go down my nose, connecting my brows. Apple bottom make you wanna bite. I'm just trying to have a good night. Hey, I'm just trying to have a good night. Don't have this stuck in my head all day. Literally. I know they say nothing in life is perfect, but perfect. This is perfect. My Chanel powder. I get so many questions about this powder. This is the universal powder, and I got the shade 30. Like I said, I found this in my Ulta. I like to take this in the middle of my hand to get the like, kind of like melt the product in. I got this at my local Ulta. Well, not local. I was 15 minutes away, and I was like, let me go see what's in this Ulta, because all Ultas do not carry the same thing, FYI. And I seen it and I grabbed it, and I haven't stopped wearing it since. And this was like, what, mid-May I got this. And yeah, literally just melts into my skin. Okay, bit of my Huda Beauty powder in Blondie. Pour some in its top, like on there a little bit, and just literally go right on top of this powder, just to kind of locking it in, baby. And I like to take my Huda powder and create my little, you know, that, because Huda is a little bit more stronger. Not strong, I don't know, I just feel like I'd rather have the yellow look than the white look, because my Chanel powder is like a little bit whitish. I don't think it's not translucent, but it's a little whitish, and I just like to go in and make sure everything is set, like really press that into my skin. In my Juvia's Place, I look crazy. Like, I look crazy. I feel like I'm like all in my face. Like, I need to back up a little bit, but I feel like if I back up too much, told y'all. It's my niece FaceTime. My niece, that was my niece FaceTiming me. Like my 1-year-old niece. Using my Juvia's Place palette in Dark Deep. And just going right on top to set. Just nice and...
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself.
Apple bottom make you wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. Hey, I just wanna have a good night. I like what I like. And my brows, and I'll be okay. So now that I have my lashes on, these lashes are from Beauty, like my local beauty supply, and these are in MB41. Look like this. Hopefully y'all like them. I don't know, but they are stunning. And I know I always tell you guys about my mascara, but this is the Essence Princess Lash Mascara, and it works so freaking good. Like, it's so good. This all. You know, I like to use my bronzer brush to kind of get this off, just to kind of make sure I don't have like a cast on my face. I zoomed you guys out a little bit. My makeup looked so good yesterday, and it's probably still looking good, but something ain't sitting right in my spirit. Makeup Forever powder. I just need to finish a reel. And I like to just set my face. So I started using the gummy extensions for my brows. Oh my god, how could they look? And my hair is like getting that color. One size powder in dark. And go in and set the rest of my face. It's not too much. It's not perfect, literally. To take my MAC NC42 and my Charlotte Tilbury in number 2 to give me a brighter under eye. Hello? Hey. I don't know, I didn't count.
Oh, I got 12.
Oh, I'm gonna have to count and see. What the fuck? Never fails. They always call me when I'm filming. All the time. Oh shit. How you do the wrong brush? Oh wow. I probably definitely could tell. Somebody, she's a cutie. Like it's giving bronze skin. That's what it's giving. Let's take a little bit of my blush, my pinky, beautiful blush, and blush my cheeks. Just gorgeous. Now it's time for my lips, girl. It's time for the lips, girl. Same old lip combo, always use. Then with chestnut, because chestnut is that girl, literally. And all in my lips. I don't really gravitate towards pinks and stuff like that. I want brown nudes. That's like my favorite. Chestnut 5. Sephora molasses. This is the best nude lip combo for melanin girls. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Last Night by Her Beauty. My hot chocolate is in the car, so I'm not gonna get it. This is It's Glass by Juvia's Place. And just top it off. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's giving very much me. It's stunning in person. Like, oh my god, I don't think y'all can even like remotely like see how beautiful I look right now. So stunning, so beautiful. I don't know if you guys care, but this is the Dior Lip Maximizer. Same thing as Fenty Beauty's Heat. And this is in shade, I have no idea, it's only brown. It's the only brown I have, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment your favorite thing about this makeup look. I am loving it. I hope it's doing justice on camera. I am loving it, girl. So thank you guys for subscribing, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and Happy Hanukkah, Feliz Navidad, all of that, baby.